charts with Moji. Dollar bills and beats, we feel so free. Market rising fast, just like the sea. In this trading world, we got the key. Bulls and bears that dance with our luck. Moji's got that charm, never stuck. Crypto's flying high, it's so wild. Trading like a pro, feeling styled. Watch the screen light up, it's a show. Numbers spinning, fast cash flow. Moji and me, we stealing the spotlight. Day trading moves all day, all night. Candlesticks, they flicker like a flame. In this money game, we stake our claim. Moji's wisdom never goes untamed. Winning every trade, no one's the same. Market trades, we ride like the wind. Every profit made feels like we sinned. Up and down, we groove with delight. In Moji's world, everything's alright. Green and red, they paint our days. Fortunes made in so many ways. Feeling the rhythm in every trade. Moji and me, the perfect brigade. Watch the screen light up, it's a show. Numbers spinning fast, cash flow. Moji and we still stout. Dating like a profit brigade. Whoa. Candlesticks, they flicker like a flame. In this money game, we stake our claim. Moji and we still stout. Winning every trade, no one's the same. Watch the screen light up, it's a show. Numbers spinning, fast cash flow. Moji and me, we stealing the spotlight. Day trading moves all day, all night. Candlesticks, they flicker like a flame. In this money game, we stake our claim. Moji's wisdom never goes untamed. Winning every trade, no one's the same. Market trades, we ride like the wind. Every profit made feels like we sinned. Up and down, we groove with delight. In Moji's world, everything's alright. Green and red, they paint our days. Fortunes made in so many ways. Feeling the rhythm in every trade. Moji and me, the perfect brigade. Whoa. Perfect brigade. Oh, perfect brigade. Oh, Korea.
All right, good morning, everybody. Welcome to another day of trading New York session. My name is Mo G, and we are here to trade today. To be a little exciting journey today. Over the weekend, I bought a milestone plan from My Funded Futures, and I decided let's trade that together here live. Um, for the milestone program, it's if you're familiar with My Funded Futures, I have the 50K account, and you know that the profit target is about 3,000. If you hit that profit target, you get a reward. It's like a payout, imagine like a sim funded, right? But you're not really managing a buffer there. Your goal is to get to the profit target. You get a reward. That's the end of that phase. Here are the rules. One, you have to have 20% consistency rule. So if you do the math from the 3,000, you need make no more than $600 per day. Uh, you have a 5 day minimum trading days. That means you have to trade a minimum of 5 days. So it's not like an eval where you can pass in one. You gotta do a minimum of five. And the reason why I bought it is because I like the way that they put it is a almost not a streamlined way, but a very clear cut path to becoming a live trader. That's one of my goals for 2025 is to be a live trader um, with my funded futures. So let's see if we can hit it this year. So that's enough background on that. So now let's get going to the charts. All right, so here are the charts real quick. This is the game plan. Right now, we are right at my long on stall level here at 21 180. I'm looking for price to get to 380. If you notice, that's where a lot of noise was about, oh, I don't know, the the beginning of November. So if we can get there, that's great. If not, then I'm expecting price to just come down a bit. Um, so what is my buy today? I don't have one just yet. Why? Because so far we have not been able to move since yesterday from this area here. So I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna wait for New York Open to let me know. I just moved that out the way. So let me know which way it is thinking about taking the market today. But in any case, the way I do my game plans is at this significant level, if it stalls here and cannot break fully, meaning break, retest, and not break past, then I will look for a long. And I have that blue box there as a zone. It's a 40-point zone because nothing is exact in trading. So I have that zone there. If it does stall there, I'll be looking long. If it breaks cleanly and retest cannot break through, then I'll be looking for shorts. So now let's go to this. This is my directional chart here. Okay, yes, I know you see a lot of colors. Let me explain them to you real quick. Uh, these are a mix between premium and base indicators for trading with Atom. Okay, these two up here are premiums. This is the TPO, which is good for probability of direction. This is the IVD, which is good for I use it for probability of direction, but it's called the initial volume distribution, so you could see where the volume is um, at this particular time. That bar you see in the middle here, if you can see it on the stream, is really the background. So you're seeing bearish, bearish. This is the money zone. I believe this one's a base. This is bearish because it's on top of price in red. Here's, you can see how this right here, these candles are the trend candles. This is in the base package. These tell us where the trend is. As of right now, the trend is bearish. This line here is a filter for the strict candles. Again, if it's green, you can look long, red, look short, and obviously it's red right now, but you see how it's changing here, so that's a good sign. Maybe New York wants to push back up. Okay, this is the strength and direction oscillator, and you can see right now we are very strong strength for the bears. Now let's go to this is my trigger chart. This is the one you're probably going to be seeing most often when I'm looking to get into trades. Um, Here you have a mix of not out yet, premium and base. Okay, so these here are my trigger evidence lines here. That's premium. Um, the same background as before here. What is base? Base, you can have this is the probability oscillator, which is telling you right now it's bearish. And this algo background here, that's from the base. I think the strict candles will be base, but these blue and red and nice Christmassy color candles, they're not out yet. I'm actually testing them, so you get lucky and you get to see them in action. Uh, these would probably, I would guess, I think they're probably like a couple months away from being distributed out of uh, to all of our members. And let's see, you have the Algo V2, which is where this is coming from. That's a base, that line here, and all these. Oh, and the buy and sells would be part of the bases too. So that's a big deal right here. You get these trade advisor entry points. You can see here, it appeared here, and it just stuck until finally it broke down. All right, so what are we looking for right now? It is 9:26 in the morning. I have my charts up. Went over my game plan. Now, let's see if we can hit our daily profit target today. The risk on the table, I'm only gonna risk probably 300 today. I'm gonna risk 300 to try to make 6, 2 for 1. Let's see. All right, now I like to trade to some music, so let's see if I can find some nice background music for our trading today. Keep us nice and calm. Let's go with this one. There we go. I like that one. Let's keep everything nice and calm. Yeah, so far, okay, we got a blue dot right there. Let me just zoom in a little bit. That's a Gabby button to go long. We are in the cheap area of the 4-hour. The 4-hour forecaster is this, those boxes. Below the line, considered cheap. Above the line, considered expensive. Okay. Let's see what we have going on today. So far, I have 1, 2. Ooh, okay. Let's see. Did we start yet? Okay, we're about 2 minutes away. We're getting a nice push down. I'm not in anything as of yet, but I will wait. Let me see what the Discord has going on today. Remember, whenever you want more information on this, go to the Trading with Adam Discord. You can go to the free chat. We post there now almost every day. And then if you're interested in indicators, just DM me, let me know, and we can see what kind of deal we can find for you. We ran an awesome sale the first time ever. We did run an awesome sale. Actually, Adam ran an awesome sale for Black Friday weekend. Hopefully, people took advantage of it. Let's see. Good. All right. We are about 1 minute away from open. Let's see if we get any good opportunities. I'm looking to be very patient today. I'm taking this just like a real trading account, as if it was my own money. I find that's the best way to trade any prop firm, is that you believe it's your own money. Don't think of it as just, oh, I can just reset and things like that, because then you get foolish habits like I did. Very foolish habits. But I learned my lesson the hard way. Let's see. Okay, here we go. We are now open. New York session is now open. Let's see which way New York wants to push today. All right, we're in. Okay, we are definitely pushing down in the open. Not surprised, probability said we're going. Everything was bearish right now. Let's see how far they want to push us before it starts picking up. Okay, we're definitely pushing down. See, the same thing's been happening. I've noticed something past couple of days. Even though the price has been considered expensive or cheap, New York can give doesn't give a crap about it. You know, sometimes it'll respect it, sometimes it'll be like, nah, we're just going wherever I want it to go. Let's see. Got any opportunities going on here? So far, nothing yet. We're still in that cheap box. Let's see. All right. Price is starting to push up a little bit. IVD's turning off. That's bullish sign. And you can see here, this second bar, and that's turning off. This is the strict candle coloring. This is from the base package. Right now it's still red, so there's no... It's a good filter saying, okay, if I want to go long, I'm not going to go long while this is red. This is turning off, which is good. This still says bearish, but this takes some time before it moves. These are still bearish, but starting to flip. So let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Let me get some. No opportunities yet because we're still stuck in this area here. All right, let's see. Let's see what can we have going on here. Oh, okay, that's our first sign that we might be getting ready for the long entry. Let's see. What's the ATR? ATR is 13. How's the DOM looking? I trade on Tradevate, so I always look at the DOM. It gives me a idea of uh, how volatility is at the time. Ooh, look at that. Nice, nice candle. Let's see. We are 5 minutes in. Let's see if we can get in this. See if we can find a spot to get in this. I'm liking what I'm seeing here. Yep, just want to give this a little chance to come back a little bit. There we go. I knew that was gonna happen. Here we go. Let's see. Let's go here. Let's do this. All right, man. We're at a safe spot where it was sticky yesterday. Definitely the same spot where we were sticky yesterday. I'm not in just yet. I'm waiting. Let's see. This is my area. Okay, I'm in. Let's see if I can get my TP1. Here we go. Come on. Come on, price. Here we go. Here we go. Almost there. See if we can get that TP1, guys. Come on, TP1. Let's go. Risk-free at TP1. Oh, it's coming back on us. Come on, open. Push up, baby. Push up. Let's go. Let's go. Oh, it's coming back. We're going to have to get out soon. Oof. Man, this is rough. The open is rough. Let's go. Let's go. Get that TP1. Let's go. Let's go. There we go. There we go. Come on. Come on. We got TP1, guys. We are risk-free on this trade. Whew. Totally risk-free on this trade. And it came down sharply. Took out my stop. But you know what? We are halfway to our top profit target. So now let's lower some risk. See if we can get in there. So we see if we can hold this one for a little bit longer. Let's do see that. Let's see again. We're gonna have another opportunity here. This is a sticky spot. Yesterday, this was a really sticky spot yesterday. Price kept, you know, getting stuck here. As you can see on the game plan area. I think it's this one. See how it was stuck here and we're still here? So I'm not surprised how it shot up and then came right back down. But that's why I trade with a TP1, because guess what? My risk was off the table. And in this particular trade, still made a profit. Still made a profit. All right, so let's see what's going on. See how that push down happened? I'm not surprised. I'm not surprised. I'm gonna wait till, gonna give it another 10 minutes. Um, I'm liking the longs because based on where we are. But I also know that this area was very, very, very sticky yesterday. Extremely. I had like 4 trades in this area alone where I was only able to hit TP1 until finally it broke out. I think we have big thanks to one of our members, Cloud. He drops the news every day, every week on the Discord, and he just let us know that we're gonna have news at 10 a.m. Okay, so let's see. Yep, so not surprised we're stuck in this range until 10 o'clock. Thank you, Cloud. Appreciate you. Let me see, is over here anything? Okay, let's see. Did anybody take any trades? Let me know in the chat if you took any trades. Or how about this question? Does anybody like to trade the open? That's a good question because I know a lot of people can be a little wary of trading the New York Open. You know, like I know when I first started, man, the New York Open tore me up, man. Now, here we go. Look, you see how the longs are playing out? Let's see if we can get in this again. I like the longs now. I just want to get in a good spot. Looking for a good spot. Looking for a good spot. Come down a little bit. Yeah, come on. Come on down just a bit. I know that you're coming down a bit because this was a sticky area, but I'm going to get back in these longs. Get risk-free and see if I can ride 1 micro. Let's see if we can get how many points we can get today. Let's find out. There you go, come back down, very good. Let's see, not yet, not yet. I'm just waiting a little bit. See how nicely it played off of the cheap box there? I like it when Price does this. Not some garbage where like it just totally breaks through everything because you can tell like there's just so much volatility. There is a lot today. The ATR is 14. So just looking for a good entry long. My setup is here. And let's go. I'm just waiting for it to just to come closer to my level so I have a better invalidation point. All right, so just wait a little bit. Still sticky. Give it 3 more minutes. So I'm one trade in. I got my TP1. It did take me out because we had a violent wick back, but you know what? Still green so far on the day. You know, the day's still young. It's only 9:42. So let's see if we can get a nice low risk, high probability trade. I'll put it that way. Low risk is relative to contract size. Yeah. If price stalls here to level, I'll be looking for a long again. But this is an area. I mean, we got yesterday between 21 170, 21 190. It was like a tennis match. It just kept going back and forth, volley, back and forth, back and forth. Yeah, so yesterday was my first day trading the new milestone plan. It's not available right now. It was a pilot program, so I just waited for a better deal, and I got one. And I'm interested because I think this would be a good training tool if they bring it back. It would be a good. This I'm talking about my funded futures. If they bring it back, I think this would be a great training tool for traders, because the way the rules are set out, like you really need to be very, very picky on the type of trades you take. Very picky. And it also, I believe, I think it was made to be honest to like um to to weed out like to weed out like people who like to not people. I guess they have their reasons to weed out who they want in their live and not. Maybe they're looking for people who are lower risk. I have no idea. I'm not a Let's see. We got some messaging going on. Let's see. Ooh, there it goes. There it goes. There it goes. Oh, I was typing. Oh, no. Uh, eh, that's okay. Because we really haven't gone anywhere. All right, let's see. Let's see. Definitely can hop in this long. Man, look at that. Look at how it's rejecting. Like right in this zone here. Again in the 190s. This is where exactly where we were yesterday. Exactly. Let's look at it from a not there. This one. So we're still trending bearish, but you saw there was weakness here. Okay, so it's weakening. So let's see. Is this a pullback to come down? Or I don't think so. I think we're flipping up. Okay. So our long idea is looking pretty good right now. Here. Move this over. Yeah, so back to the question I have about trading the open. I know some people wait 10, 15, half hour. Some people love it, they jump right in. I'm like 50-50. I don't mind trading the open as long as I can see the direction right away. If I can't see the direction right away, then I wait. Why? Because if I have the direction correct, and I'm not talking about like what I see just on the indicators alone. Yes, they help, but I have to put everything into it. I have to put the context. Are we cheap? Are we expensive? What happened before in order to help me see what's happening now? You know how everybody says you got to look left, you zoom out, so on and so forth. And if I can see a clearer direction early, then I won't mind, hopping in trade as soon as it's open. All right, so you see on the top there, it went from gray to yellow. That means we're in chop mode right now. I'm not surprised because, as I've been saying, this has been an area where the bulls and bears are just absolutely fighting each other. So even though right now, I don't care if you see the greens and whatever, once I see that yellow, that means we're chopping. What does that mean for us as like entry wise? Well, that means if you enter, you have to have a good invalidation point, first of all. Secondly, be prepared to see as you trade, your P&L, your unrealized P&L to go up and down until the whole way. So good news is in this, it usually doesn't fall real quick or explode real quick. It'll just keep going up and down. Bad news is if you play with tight stops like I do, um, there's more than likely it's going to hit your stop before your TP, which is so frustrating. So frustrating when that happens. That's why I have to play the music in the background because if not, I would go nuts. Like it's cool. I have this little. I don't know if you can see it on camera. See this here? My dad gave this to me because he knew once he knew I was getting into trading more. He got me this little paperweight, but it's pretty cool because it's got the bear and the bull on it, and I have it here on my desk just as a reminder. You know, they're always competing. The bulls and bears are always competing. see what we got going on right now. So far, nothing. We're in chop. So when they're in chop, am not. I'm gonna make a promise to you guys. I'm not gonna enter a trade while we're in this chop because every time I have, when the emotions have taken over, because I want to hit that profit target so damn bad, and oh man, this is the candle, it's gonna break out. I know it, and then boop, goes right back down. So I'm not going to enter a trade when the TPO, the top bar right here, is yellow. Those are even with, oh look, see, you see how the market tries to get you. Look, we got a buy signal, we got things going green, and the TPO is yellow. So it's just begging to take my money right now. This market is absolutely trying to to tell me, hey, yeah, longs are good, man. I want to take all your profits away. Nope. I'm not doing it. I'm not doing it. I gotta do something else. I gotta put my hands on something. Let me just look on Discord or something. I don't even want to see it. I don't even care if it explodes. Not doing it. And this will be the time it absolutely explodes. I mean, it's just the way stuff happens. But look. You see how I have these on because I don't like to see the wicks. But where you see these bars here and this is a wick up here, and it came all the way back. And then the buy signal changed from here to here. Nope, not doing it. Not doing it. Not doing it at all. Let's see if anybody has any questions. Let's see what the comments look like. All right, we're excellent. All right, so we're actually streaming very good now. Good. Yeah. See again. See how it's waking up, and it's just fighting this area. It's gonna take a minute. Let's look at this one. Okay, now you see here it has the buy signal too, because I have the same indicators on both. And you notice how it went from red to weakness, but yet it still hasn't really gone anywhere. I mean, it opened here. It basically went through the zone. It went from here to here, and now it's kind of trickling back in. So with this yellow, I'm not surprised it's doing that. So let's see. Now I'm going to keep this one on the chart for a little bit. So this way you can see the algo candles, which are in the, I think they're going to be in the base. I have to check. I have the, whatever premium of the premium stuff. So, um, to be honest, I forget what I have sometimes. But it all serves a purpose for me. Everything you see on the charts that I put up all serve a purpose for me because I live trade this. I'm not showing you this and have like literally I have the charts on one screen. I have obviously the streaming stuff and my trade of 8 on another screen. And when I see an opportunity, I take it absolutely live. See how the trend candle turned back to red? Now that doesn't necessarily mean price will go down. It's just telling you, okay, the trend is bearish right now. And with everything bearish and that yellow and it's trying to climb up, I would wait till 10. Need some news to drop. Let's get some news to drop so this way we can leave this sticky area one way or the other. I don't care which way. Let's see. Yellow TPO day. Oh, wait, they're turning off. Okay, they're turning off. Kind of like that. Let's give it some time, though. We got 4 minutes. 4 minutes until news drops. I'm waiting for that news. Yeah, I'm looking forward. I'm testing out today to see if I can bring some guests on to trade with me so we can trade together live. I'm gonna work on that later today. Probably have like another screen popped up somewhere there with somebody on camera. Oh boy. See, we're still fighting this. It's looking good for the longs. I don't think it's just ready yet. That's my opinion. Dun, 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 dun. Oh, that's what changes it. Okay. Let's see. Make sure. I want to make sure everything is. Yeah. Yes. Okay. Did anybody use the risk management tools inside Tradevate or any other um, like brokerage tool? I do. I like it. Kind of helps me with the whole helps me with over trading, but it also helps me with the greed factor because sometimes, I can get pretty. Oh, here we go. Let's go back to the trigger chart because I'm starting to see some movement now. We've got a couple seconds till 10 o'clock. Okay. So far, let's see. 30 seconds left. Let's see if the volatility picks up. Yeah, I'm feeling a lot better trading today than yesterday. I didn't sleep well yesterday, and it affected my trading for sure. See, that's things like people don't tell you when you start trading, like how you sleep, your activity, and everything like that. It all matters. Here we go. Woo, here we go. This news just dropped. Man, Madame is going crazy. Going crazy. Let's see. We got a new 4 hour. News just dropped. TPO turned back yellow, of course. Not surprised here. Let's see. Definitely liking the long here. Just wait. Just wait. Just be patient. Still, are we having a hard time? See what kind of. That's all right. Listen, there's only 1 minute candles, so that could just be a wick up. There you go. I see. Let's see. It's yellow though. I promised you guys I wouldn't go in when it's yellow. Oh man, this is when I gotta sit on my hands. Oh boy. Yes, I know I have a buy signal. Yes, I know everything's green, but I gotta, I don't care what kind of plan this is. This is like, it's my money on the table. So I gotta make sure that I deal with this very carefully. See, that's how I think of prop firms. Yeah, it's not the full drawdown amount on the table, but it's still my money on the table. So that's how I look at it. There we go. I think this is the price wants to fly. Oh man. Wait, come on, come back down to that yellow line and TPOs turn off. There we go, see? And that's okay. Let's see on the other chart, because let's see here. Nope, not that one, this one. All right, see how it flipped to green now? That's a good sign. So I'm definitely going to be looking in for long. Now I just have to find a good area to get in. And right here where the yellow line is, because it's the top of that box, would be a nice spot. So that's one spot. Let's move this down like this. So again, new 4-hour forecaster. Here would be expensive, here would be cheap, super cheap, so on and so forth. Let's see now. What we got going on here? Yeah, see this yellow TPO? It's the best and most frustrating tool in the toolbox. It's the best because you can just see visually that, okay, we're gonna chop. It's the most frustrating because it comes at the worst time when you feel like coming in on a trade and like everything else in your setup is there, but TPO's not. Good news is it's turning off, so hopefully this will just be a little pullback before it actually takes off. Let's see. Let's see. Yeah, so I'm streaming live today on YouTube on Moji Trades, also on simulcast on YouTube for the Trading with Adam page. If you're a member of the Trading with Adam page, please hop over to Moji Trades. Help me out, put a subscribe into, because I also put up videos based on these indicators on recapping the day and stuff like that. So I would appreciate that. And I'm also on Twitch. Give people some insight on, trying to get funded. I already have a funded account. I'm just not live funded, sim funded. I'm trying to get that live funded account. All right, now let's see if we can get into a long anywhere here. Let's see what. This was the opportunity right there. Let's see if it comes back down from here again. Okay, I went in. Let's see if I can get my TP1. Let's see. And it's coming back on me, of course. But I'm confident in this trade. We're gonna be pushing up. Let's go. Let's see if we can get to 238. Come on, get me 238. 238 was sitting pretty. Ugh, yuck. Nope, that just came back. Let's see. So we're still in this trade. Let's see what it wants to do. Might be have to get out soon. See if this was just a breather before it pushes back up. Let's see. Can't like that. I kept to my promise. The TPOs are not yellow anymore. But I got some drawdown on this trade so far. Let's see. Let's see what if it wants to push up from here or not. No. Man, this stinks. This was a bad trade. Okay, I gotta get out. I'm getting out of this trade. I realized my mistake. Got out. Now I gotta wait for another opportunity. Still looking long, but that just wasn't the time to go in. Yeah, I'm just looking for an opportunity to get in. Actually, you know what? Come down a little bit again. Yep, come on down. Yeah, I got caught in the weakness. It's all right. Let's see what's happening here. Yeah, okay. Okay, this is the same spot where it came down last time. Let's see if it wants to respect. Oh, well, hold on. We might be coming down a little bit further. He might be coming down a little bit further. Which way do we want to come down a little bit further? Yep. I'm coming down a little bit further. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Come on. We wicked back into the box. Yep, there you go. See that wick right back into the box? We came right up. Let's see. Come on. A good opportunity. Let's see. Is there a good opportunity here? The best one was one that touched that box again. Let's see what kind of opportunity we got going here, huh? Let's see. This looks like the area that they're fighting to hold. Let's see. All right. Okay, so they're holding that. So let's see if let's go here. See if we can get any movement upwards. There we go. Come on. This might be the start of the climb up again. All right, I think this is going to start the movement up again. I think it took its breather. Let's see what happens here. Hmm. I'm in long and I'm just trying to see if this sucker can actually start moving. Nope. All right. So price is really stuck here right now. I'll be right back. Motherfucker. Okay. All right. I'm back. I hate this right now. Price is getting stuck here. Looks like it wants to come down. Let's see. And then it's yellow again, of course. Not surprised. Not surprised one bit based on how this is moving. Now it's dropping like a rock. Oh well. Ooh, there it goes. There it goes. See that purple dot right there? That's a Gabby sell button. But we just tapped right off of there, came right back up. Let's see. It's gonna be choppy, 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 choppy. Choppy, choppy, choppy. Extremely choppy. It might be chopping down. We have the IVD starting to click off. Probability oscillator says bullish weakness. So we could be chopping down. definitely be a chop down. Oh, this price action stinks, man. Let's see if I can. We're back in the same area. Let's do the 180 area. Nope. There's 12. Let me stop and think. Yikes. Getting eaten alive here. Let me look at another chart. Real weakness. Here. All right, there's nothing going on right now. TPO's yellow. So we're just going to chop around here. I'm just going to leave the screen on, and I'll be back once something starts to happen. Give it about 2 minutes. So right now, I don't see anything. We're just stuck in this area. And it's annoying because this is where we were stuck yesterday. Let me see. Let's see, that's pushing down. Let me see if it'll reject off this area. Let's see. Let's see what price wants to do here. If it's going to chop here, if it's gonna attempt to push up. Nope. Yeah, price is stuck right here right now. All right. Not gonna do much right now. I'll be right back once an opportunity comes up. Motherfucker, man. All right, I'm back. Took a little breather, seeing what's happening here. My level's holding up. Let's see if I can take a little trade long here. Let's see. Still yellow TPO. Oh, still yellow TPO. Maybe we can get a TP1 and see what happens if it'll chop back up. But all in all, yellow TPO is totally, it's a mess. It's an absolute mess. It just does not want to get out of this area. Let's see. Let's see if it wants to stay out of this area. I'm in a long. Let's see if I can get my TP1, huh? Come on. Push up, push up, push up. There we go. There we go. There we go. Come on, get TP1. Get there, get there, get there. Oh my God, so close. I might have to get out soon. Let's see. Get it, get it. Oh my gosh, like a tick away. A tick away. Let's go. Let's go. Okay, TP1 was hit. Whew. All right. Let's see if this sucker wants to run a little bit now for us. Nope. Well, TP1 got hit. That's a good sign. Yuck. See it from here, and if it wants to come all the way back down. See, this is why when you have the yellow TPO, that's the stuff you got to be careful with. You can hit it, and then it comes right back on you. Let's see what it wants to do. Man, I really wish that TPO would turn off. Probably have to wait till 11, 11:30. Let's see. I mean, when it's that much of a struggle for TP1, I don't like that. Man, this price action stinks. All right, so that means it's gonna have to get out of this area in order to for the TPOs to change. It's gonna have to pass this high here. But then we're getting to the expensive area. This tells you right here. Draw this out. See how price is playing in here? That tells you it's a range. Like we haven't really gone anywhere in the beginning of this 4-hour candle. All right, let me look away from the charts for a little bit. Let me put some more music on. Let's do, we need some little words on it. Just something to see. It's just stuck right here. Not doing a thing. Again, we're at that one under that 200 area, 21,200. Price has done nothing. Done absolutely nothing here. Let's see. Let's see. Will it finally break through this level and continue down? Not likely. Man, we are stuck right here. All right, hold on a second. I gotta see something. Oh yeah, check something. We are stuck right here. Let me just see something here. The reason why I don't have the chart on right now, I'm just checking something that is only for people who are in the mentorship. So unfortunately, I am not going to show this what I'm doing right now live. It's plain and simple, like this is a skill that I acquired over years of training with Adam, so I can't give this one away. There. is this? You know, if you want to know what I'm doing, you have to be a member and in the mentorship. Let's go here. Where is that? Got to be in the mentorship to know what I'm doing right now. It's only fair. Right here. Okay. There you go. All right. This gives me a better idea of what's happening now. Right there. Okay. Off. Back here. Gotta make this global. Global. Okay. Put this back. All right. So you see here, you see these two lines here. Those are areas of interest based on mentorship education. So I'm not surprised how we just barely got above here, couldn't even get to this area of interest, and then we've just been heading down ever since. So that's bearish. So let's see if we can catch this move down. Yeah, I just needed more more context to what was happening. Okay, so I'm in short, getting a TP1. Oh, just came back on me. No. No, I think this one's gonna get TP1. It's almost there. This level's been sticky. See, we're almost there. A couple points away. Come on. Come on, get me that TP1. There we go. There we go. Come on, get TP1. Get it. Get it, get it, get it, get it, get it. Let's go. TP1 hit. Let's see how far this sucker wants to move down now. This one back to break. This up to break and run to break even. Let's see. I got a runner on now. Here we go. We're heading down. Let's see how much of it we can get. See if it officially wants to break out of this area. Now it is yellow TPO, so it's gonna, chop back and forth. But things are starting to turn bearish based on what I see on the indicators here. See that IVD, the second green bar, went to gray. The background, which is this bottom green bar, went to gray. We're heading down. Now I have new context, so I understand more of what I'm reading. But TPOs are still yellow, so this runner may not run. Let's see if this runner can last. Let's see. Got a sell sign. That's a good sign. Let's see if we can. If this runner can hold out. Double sell sign. Let's see. Let's see. It's coming back on me. Let's see, it might take me out of break even. It might not. Let's see what happens. This is tough right here. This yellow TPO is not allowing it to run. And I'm tagged out. That's okay. It was risk-free. It's all you can ask for. It's just to get risk-free. So far, again, you can see the bulls are sitting here. Every time it tries to get to this area, it pushes back. Let me see what's going on in Discord. Wait, that wasn't muted? Hold on a second. Let me check something. Nope, that's not supposed to mute. Let's check this one. Test. Oh, there you go. There we go. Okay, let's see. We'll look at that. Come on, TPO, turn off. My gosh. Definitely got more movement coming in. Now, just because TPO turns off is not automatic that it will like drop like a rock, but the probability is higher. Let's see if I can get 7 here. Come on. Give me my TP1. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's go. Let my runner run. Let it run. Let it run. There we go. Let it run. I'm in short again because the context changed. I got a sell sign. Let's see if I can let this runner run. Will they let it run? Let's see. This might be the one. This might be the runner I was looking for today. This might be it. Let's see. Let's see if we can get it. Let me put this down to here. Let's see if we can get it. Okay, so far, this is gonna chop down. Let's see. Let's see. Oh, come on. Let's see. Let's get there. Looks like this runner's gonna be out soon. Yep, the runner's out. Okay, so let's see. Let's see if we get another opportunity. If it comes up towards my level again, I'm gonna go back in short. Come up to it, pass it. And this 170 level is like sticky as all could be. Come on. Get there, you know, you want to push down. Yep, there we go. Come on. Nope. Oh, that stinks. Oh well. You know what? We tried today. Not a good day, red day. Got chopped out every which way. Got a couple good ones, but today wasn't the day. So with that, I'm gonna leave the chart on for a little bit, and then I'll be signing off. It's so funny, right? As soon as I take a break, you get a nice push off long off the level. Yeah, I took it. And look, TPOs are changed. It's definitely volatility now. 11 o'clock. That's half hour. We got right. If we stay above here, this is a good opportunity to get in along there. Let's see. Thank goodness the TPO turned off now. Now we can actually look for stuff together. What is this considered? Okay, we got a buy button there. Okay. Buy button. Okay, here we go. All right, let's see if we can get a TP1. There we go. There we go. Get that push. Yeah, let's see if we can get this push. Okay, there we go. There we go. There we go. Come on, come on. Come on, get it. Get it. Couple points away, 2 points away. Let's go. Let's go. Those 2 points. Here we go. Come on, come on. Oof. Let's get in this candle. Let's see if we can get in this 1 minute candle so we can be risk free. Let this sucker ride. Let's go. Let's go. We're 2 points away from that TP1. Let's see if we can get it. Oh, see, line looks good. Direction looks good. Oof. A little dump there, but we're coming back. Let's see. See if that's what we needed to push up a little bit. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Come on. Get there. Come on, give me that little push. There we go. There we go. There we go. Oh, by a tick. Come on, TP1. There we go. Whew, risk free. Holy cow. And guess what? With that trade, we hit our profit target. Yes. Profit target achieved. Let's go. Beautiful. Beautiful. Now, obviously, got to get out of that one. Profit target achieved, people. That's awesome. Now let's go to an eval. Profit target achieved, baby. Let's go. That's what we need. Let's get a little. Let's go. Profit target was achieved today. On that account, so for the milestone, I need 3,000 to get my first payout, or 53,000 right now. That account is at 2 days of trading is at 51,042. So we are steadily climbing. We're steadily climbing on it. Let's go. So lessons for today. Number one, yellow TPO, you can go screw. I got to be careful because of what I say. I'm on YouTube, but you can go screw yourself, you know, because you chop this up the whole way, but the game plan worked. Game plan held. I longed on some stalls. Yeah, I took some whatever goofy short trades because it was below a level. All I need is that one runner. That one runner, and it takes away all those non-runners. Let's go. This is it. The bulls are running now. Let's go. Let's put some of this on there. Let's go. This is what I'm talking about here. Profit target achieved. Took me a while. Took me a while to really understand what the market was doing. But as soon as I did I'll call them mentorship level areas, I had a better idea of what I could do short term for trading. And then I reassessed. I reassessed right here. I'm gonna do this live. Okay. Once I saw this, I was like, okay, what's happening? And then I saw this. That was before I drew any levels, right? So let me take these off. So this was a little confusing to me when I saw this and when I saw this. So I went back to what I learned in the mentorship, figured out where we are, drew these key levels. So I had my game plan level and these two key levels. And you notice right here, Look at how nicely, here was like, oh, you think it's gonna go down, but this is still yellow up here. So the likelihood is low. Then we had, I call this the, like, when you see this yellow dot here, sorry, the blue dot with that buy, the probability is we are going that way. Jesus, don't judge me on my drawing skills. But we're gonna go up. And look what happened. It was on the break here. I took a little trade here. Then we entered one together after this buy sign. And this one hit the profit target. Let's go. So let's say you didn't get in here, right? Can you still get into the long? Yeah. What would you look for now? See this yellow line right here at 218? Just call it 218, 220. If it stalls here, look for it to go long. Now, understanding here at 143, we're going to hit some resistance. Why? Because it's a key level from the mentorship, and it's the expensive box in the 4-hour. But man, that felt good to hit that profit target. Let's go. Let's go. Yeah, I think I had an open mic too at one time. Oh well. Who cares? This is trading. Let's go. Oh yeah, let's go, man. Let's go. Now we need some nice chill vibes right now. Let's go. Let's go. Dang, I needed that. All right, so what are some lessons I learned from this trading day? One is hold on. Let me click onto the chats now. I forgot to pop out this one. Awesome. Put that out. There you go. Now I can see it better. Now we're seeing it here. Look at the IVD candles right here. Just as soon as they pop green, this price, boom. Yes, let's go. Come on. Okay, so look, we're taking a little breath now. That's all right. Now just look for another opportunity to get in long. Let's go. Let's go, people. Let's go, man. Target achieved. Let's go, man. Oh man, that felt good. That felt good. Some major feedback here. Hold on.
Nothing can stop me now, I know I'm moving fast, I'm on a roll. Heart's a drum beating strong and loud. I stand tall, feeling so proud. Dreams within reach, head in the clouds. I'll chase them down and make them count. Trust the journey, trust the ride. With each turn, I know I'll glide. In this joy, I always reside.
All right, I'll be right back, man. This was awesome. All right. Back, as you can see, the mic a little bit. As you can see, touch right to this line, fired right back up. Let's see what's going on in the chat right now. Moving some of this stuff around. Sound. This one here. Perfect. Target achieved. All right, I'm on an eval. Pressure is off. One thing I'm reflecting on the trade. One thing I want to do is I really want to limit my trades a little bit. I think I'm over trading some. I think it's excitement, and also, to be honest, a little bit of the pressure of trying to make the live interesting. But whenever there's a yellow TPL, there's really nothing much to do. This is the better spot to try to do something. Let's see. Let's see if we can catch this second leg. Here we go, guys. Here we go. Come on, get TP1. Get TP1. Almost there. Come on, get that last initial push. Let's go. Come on, 3 points. 3 points is nothing. You can sneeze this. Come on, then, Q. This is eval, okay? So this is an eval now. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. Come on. Get it. Get it. Oop. Nope. Came back on us. Does it come back on us hard, or is it just going to take a breath? Let's see. Nope. Just a breath. All right. Let's see. Let's go. Let's go. Okay, are you coming back? I think we might have to. Let's see what we want to do here. Is that a new high? Oh, that was a new high. That's why. Okay. Let's get this sucker back in the green so we can reassess. Let's see. Take this out now. See what happened here. Okay, yep. That was dumb. We were at a new high. Oh well. Let's see what happened. See if we can minimize this drawdown. Nope. Let's minimize this loss in 3. Let's see. Let's see. Oh, what happened here? Look at this. Okay, come on, let's minimize this loss a little bit as much as we can. Here we go, come on. Very bullish move right here. Let's see. See if that was the breather it needed. Let's see. See. Come on. Here we go. See. Last chance to get TP1. If not, this trade is over. Let's give it about 20 seconds. Here we go. 20 seconds. 19. 17. Come on. 15, 14, 13, 12, 10, 9, 8. No, not now, dog. Oh. Let's see. Come on. This is it. This is the last push. Hopefully. Hopefully. Come on. Come on. This is what you wanted. TP one hit. Let's go. Let's go, TP boy. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. Let this run. Let's see if I can get this to 50 points. All right, I'll be right back. As you can see, look at how nicely. Let's just admire these indicators for a second here. Just move this over. Where's my little brush? There it is. Let's admire these indicators right here. All right, so this was the open here. That's technically when the move started, right? If you look back now, obviously you're never gonna know while you're in it. You're always gonna see it while you look back. So you try to make the best decisions you have possible with the information you have. So yeah, bullish, 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 and it went, right? Then it got stuck here. First spot here, came down, took a breath, right? Tried to push up again, got stuck again, pushed down a little bit deeper towards the cheap box. And then it took off. What are the signs that it took off? One, you have these blue, red to blue here. You have the Gabby button, which is that blue button there. You have the Gabby buy button. Told you, once those two happen, you see what's happening here. This was your next opportunity to get into the long. I got in here. And then now look how far up it went. Now, if it can stay above here, I would say more like a 5-minute candle can stay above there, we're gonna move higher. And I'm in a trade right now. The runner is running. I'm in an eval trade. Up. Oh, yeah. I have a mini running on this eval, so you can do the math if you want to know how much that is. Sorry, the landscapers are here. Not mine, my neighbors. So you might hear a little noise in the background. I'm going to mute so it doesn't affect the stream. All right, so the trade is up. The runners is almost up 20. No, sorry, no. Yes, 20 points. Hitting on 25. I have my take profit at 50 points. See what's going on in the Discord right now. Yeah, so if you guys comment on the Mo.G YouTube channel, and you have questions, I can actually post your questions on the live and I can answer them, and eventually guests can answer them in real time. So if you're watching on the Trading with Adam, make sure you subscribe to the Mo.G channel as well, because you get more recap videos in addition to indicator videos. And if you want your real-time questions answered, the best way is to post them onto the Mo.G channel and I can get them on here. Same thing when we run any sales or anything like that, discounts, giveaways, so on and so forth. Those will be on the Mo.G channel. So you want to make sure you also have that and you're subscribed and ready for that too. Okay, now let's see. Is price going to stay above here or is it going to come back? I think it will hold. Let's see. We have one candle so far above it, two. So that's a 2-minute candle above it. That's a good sign. Let's see if this 3-minute can close above it fully, no wicks. It's coming close. And it is wicked past. But it's coming back. Let's see. Let's see. Now remember, with any level, there's always a little zone. You got to give it a little bit of a buffer. But right now, if you look at the dashboard, which is in the top corner, you have everything looking for a long. When you see these three stocks long, most likely NQ would be long. Let's see, how much do I want to secure on this trade? So far, it was up as much as 25. Now it's up 10. Let's see, it's going to come back and take me out, or it's going to find a place to sit. Yeah, looks like it might try to take me out. See the blue candle coming? That means weakness now. The 15-second evidence line, which is the bar in the bar in the bottom, has two red columns, so price is going to push down now. Now it's really coming. Here we go. It's gonna take my stop. Let's see if it takes a stop. Maybe it doesn't want it. Let's see. Let's see. Okay, that's a strong sign. If that can click back. Oh, hold on. Hold on. Nope, nothing yet. All right, let's see. Let's see if it wants to start making its way back to that 243 area. and get back above it? Or is it going to reject hard and push its way back down? Now, since everything is green, it could push back above it, but I might not be able to live through it, and it just took me out. Oh well. That was a great trade, though. Great trade. Ooh, it's pushing back hard. Let it find its place again. See what's going on in Discord. Okay, so it's 11:30 now. Let's start. I just want to recap the stream. So again, earlier in the day, there was opportunity for longs. I personally um, did not take this original long here. I did take this one. Then I got caught in the slop here because it confused me, and I got impatient. So that's so I was down. Excuse me. I was down here, not by much because I had I was hitting TP ones, but it was just still eating away at the profits. I took a short here once I read um, once I did the mentorship levels to understand what was happening at the time. So I took the short here, and then once this failed here, then I was like, okay, we are not able to get below here, and we are moving up. Then, even though I was on a break here, I missed this, but I got this. And I wrote that, hit the profit target. I got the retest here just as a to show. Boom here. Now it's coming down and let it find a place to rest in order to get back in long again. Um, right now I'm trading eval. I'm done on my funded, my milestone funded for today. Green, I hit the 20% goal that I was looking for today. It took a while because I was down. I had, this runner really had to help dig me out of the hole. But just goes to show you that, one trade either way can change anything. But if you can understand how to read the charts and have tools there that makes it clearer to you, you always trade your own chart, follow your own signals, and stay as disciplined as possible. Yes, you saw live. This was a long time for me to be very disciplined. Now, I'm not gonna lie, I did take a trade or two here because I got antsy, but it was a low contract trade just to get the itch out, and it cost me money. Don't get me wrong, it cost me money to get the itch out, but I'd rather get the itch out than deal with that emotional drain of, oh, should I have gone in here? Is it gonna work? Is it gonna not? No. I know once I see this chop, it's basically gonna stay in a similar area until something changes. And this is evident here. As soon as it changed and we had some uh, agreements, we had a nice long trade here. All right, so with that, thank you everybody for watching today. I'll be on tomorrow. We're gonna see if we can hit another profit target tomorrow see if I can get through phase 1 of this milestone challenge. and every phase has a reward. So hopefully we can get there. Till then, everybody, trade your chart, stay confident, stay disciplined, and I'll see you next time. Bye.
Woke up to the sunlight in my eyes. Today's the day I'll rise and shine. No worries, no fears cross my mind. Let's leave the doubts all behind. Walking on clouds, I'm feeling light. Smiles and laughter all in sight. Every step I take feels so right. Let's make this day out of sight. Got that confident vibe inside my soul. Living my life in cruise control. Nothing can stop me now, I know. I'm moving fast, I'm on a roll. Got that confident vibe inside my soul. Living my life in cruise control. Nothing can stop me now, I know. I'm moving fast, I'm on a roll. Heart's a drum beating strong and loud. I stand tall, feeling so proud. Dreams within reach, head in the clouds. I'll chase them down and make them count. Trust the journey, trust the ride. With each turn I know I'll glide. In this joy I'll always reside. Feeling good, I'll never hide. Got that confident vibe inside my soul. Living my life in cruise control. Nothing can stop me now, I know. I'm moving fast, I'm on a roll. Got that confident vibe inside my soul. Living my life in cruise control. Nothing can stop me now, I know. I'm moving fast, I'm on a roll. Got that confident vibe inside my soul. Living my life in cruise control. Nothing can stop me now, I know. I'm moving fast, I'm on a roll. Got that confident vibe inside my soul. Living my life in cruise control. Nothing can stop me now, I know. I'm moving fast, I'm on a roll. Woke up to the sunlight in my eyes. Today's the day I'll rise and shine. No worries, no fears cross my mind. Let's leave the doubts all behind. Walking on clouds, I'm feeling light. Smiles and laughter all in sight. Every step I take feels so right. Let's make this day out of sight. Got that confident vibe inside my soul. Living my life in cruise control. Nothing can stop me now, I know. I'm moving fast, I'm on a roll. Got that confident vibe inside my soul. Living my life in cruise control. Nothing can stop me now, I know. I'm moving fast, I'm on a roll. Heart's a drum beating strong and loud. I stand tall, feeling so proud. Dreams within reach, head in the clouds. I'll chase them down and make them count. Trust the journey, trust the ride. With each turn I know I'll glide. In this joy I'll always reside. Feeling good, I'll never hide. Got that confident vibe inside my soul. Living my life in cruise control. Nothing can stop me now, I know. I'm moving fast, I'm on a roll. Got that confident vibe inside my soul. Living my life in cruise control. Nothing can stop me now, I know. I'm moving fast, I'm on a roll. Got that confident vibe inside my soul. Living my life in cruise control. Nothing can stop me now, I know. I'm moving fast, I'm on a roll. Got that confident vibe inside my soul. Living my life in cruise control. Nothing can stop me now, I know. I'm moving fast, I'm on a roll. Woke up to the sunlight in my eyes. Today's the day I'll rise and shine. No worries, no fears cross my mind. Let's leave the doubts all behind. Walking on clouds, I'm feeling light. Smiles and laughter all in sight. so right.